Hello, this is Mats here from Boozang, and we have another major release. We were ready with this release already last summer, but because it's a big change, we wanted to wait by rolling this out. So we're rolling this out with a lot of new functionality. The biggest change is, of course, we support Google Manifest version 3. And because our old extension was on its way to become deprecated and Google didn't give us any good timeline, now we are compliant with their new extension manifest. So hopefully we shouldn't have any maintenance problems into the future. What you will see now is when you log into Boozang and if you take and you launch your project, what you're going to see is you're going to get prompted to install the AI Chrome extension, which is a new extension. So just simply go add to Chrome and make sure to add the extension here. And what you're going to see is there are a lot of updates in this extension. So if you have any issues with existing tests, just make sure that you reach out to us. We've done weeks and weeks of regression testing, so we think it's going to be fine, but make sure to install and run this new extension. That also means that if you are running your CI pipeline, it also means that you need to get a new Docker CI runner called Docker Playwright-EX3, where EX3 is the manifest version 3. So also make sure to update your Docker container for your CI pipeline. If you go to our release notes here, you'll find it's the new release number 10. And here you can see that not only did we update the Chrome extension to Manifest 3, we also have a new support for coded test. We redesigned the group action. Uh, we refreshed the new refresh action is actually part of the action list. And there is also a lot of refactoring on the execution engine, better calendar support, um, and also a bunch of new action types to make this really, really clear. We did all the conditionals, which are now very clear in the group, and this is something you're going to see. We also did some performance improvements. If I want to just show you really quickly what you're going to see different is this new, if you choose to use coded languages, the set and the code is much more clear, and this is also to prepare us for being able to work with ChatGPT and script the test in the future. If you go back to the table view, what you're going to see is that in the AI test, you have this new menu where you can drag and drop all these actions. And as you can see, you have the reload action here in the list, but you also have a much better resolution. Here, you can do directly click, double click, right click, hover, drag, and drag drop. So it's a little clearer. And also conditionals, you have if, else if, while, for, or, and finally. So there's a bunch of things that we've added here to make it better. We've also done a number of updates on model-based development and model-based testing that you will see, but I'm going to go into more detail with this when we talk about model-based testing. But let us know how this works for you, and there will be more videos and more releases where I'm going to go into in more detail about these different changes. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy it.